We have to learn what is the meta indexes. So the topic is maximizing promotion with meta index. So first of all, we have to identify what is meta index, why we need to know those things. So that's what we are discussing. So these are the three topics we have to cover: what meta indexes are, then why meta indexes are useful for travel and tourism business. So then how to make the link to your site stand out. So the basic thing we are trying to do here is we are creating some index in our websites to reach lots of people. Okay, so that's what we are trying to do here. So once we build a website, we have to add some metadata in the sense how you guys using hashtags in your social media. So normally it's hashtag is a kind of metadata, but that's not complete metadata, but it's a kind of metadata we are using. So here how we using hashtags in our website. So here we can see some example like give me a sec. Okay, if you consider like Twitter, so we can search some metadata like travel Sri Lanka or something. So we use hashtag travel Sri Lanka. Then you will find the hashtag related content, right? So that's how the hashtags works, right? Once you search a hashtag, those people use that same hashtag, the article or the post or the tweets, the Facebook post or the Instagram post, it will appear. So it's give a interconnecting same article. So if you don't use hashtags, we can't find the related articles, right? So that's why we use metadata. It's a kind of metadata. Hashtag is a kind of metadata we are using. So here if I'm searching, those who use the hashtags, articles will come. I'm not following this person as the or this one. I'm not following, but I could easily find the article related to my hashtag. So like we can go for another things as well. Travel Sri Lanka or directly Sri Lanka. So if I am searching Sri Lanka, I'll find different article which related to Sri Lanka, right? So mostly the news articles. So this is how the hashtags interconnecting article. So likewise, once we use metadata in our websites, it will help the users to find your website using same kind of search. Like if I'm searching any website like here Slate, or I'll search like HND in tourism or HND in management. So I'm getting Slate, right? Directly the first results I'm getting is Slate. So why I'm getting Slate directly? There are other institute also providing high national diploma in business management. It's by eSoft, by NIBM also providing. So other institute also providing these kind of courses, but Slate coming first because they have the metadata. Everyone have the metadata, but this Slate website is reached by so many people, right? The students amount is vast. Like most of the people search the term, then they come to this website, right? So this is how the search engine, we call it search engine optimization, right? So that is another course. If you learn search engine optimization, you can work for some companies. The people want to show their websites in the Google's first page. So that's how it's working. So here it's like most of the people searching these things as a HND in management, and they use this website. So in Google search, it comes first, right? So let me check if I'm searching Hardy. Yeah, this website coming, right? Not Hardy website. Hardy, this is not website. So our website is somewhat down, so that's why it's not coming. But normally this is the website reached by most of the people, right? This is a Hardy official. I think it's a someone's personal website. I mean, he may be a musician. So this is what happening here. So let me check in our previous example. I'm searching Slate. Okay, let me go to Slate website. So in this Slate website, let me check what are the metadata they are using, right? What are the metadata they are using? So in your website, the content also work as a metadata. Previously, when I'm searching H&D in management, I'm getting different search results, right? Here, okay, this is the page, right? This is the page from Hardy, Slate website, course, then H&M. So it's coming here, H&M. So this is the page also work as a content, right? So this page work as a metadata. It's the metadata. The concept is it helps the search engine to find your website, the related website, what the users search. So this is how it's working. So here, this is if you are having article about, for example, if you are doing a tourism project about Argambe, so in your website you are writing lots of article about Argambe, right? How to use Argambe hotels, how to visit Argambe. Likewise, if you are having lots of articles, most probably your website will be appear in the Google search. So like I can search like Argambe. Let's search. So Wikipedia comes first. Then here, Lonely Planet, Argambe Lonely Planet. I'm searching this one. They most probably they're having an article. So mostly the articles becomes, right? They may have some content regarding that particular search. So then those things will be appear. So 7 best things to do in Argambe. So this website have these kind of articles, right? So they use Argambe, the term word, it works as a metadata, right? So let's search here in the website. I'm searching Argambe. So here in 32, you can see right here 32 places they use that Argambe. Right here you can see. So that's why their website coming forward, right? Argambe. So the articles mostly it helps to search the particular article, right? So it helps the search engines to find your website. So this is how you have to get some traffic onto your website. Traffic means visitors, the users, right? This is how it's working. And here, in another way, you can use metadata. In your website, there is an option for metadata. So you can add metadatas like Control plus U. If you press Control plus U, you will see the source code of the website. So this is the website. This is the source code of the website. So you can see. So here in Meta, they use these metadatas, right? The data, the text which related to Slate, right? So HND, HNDA, HNDM, Slate, HND, Sri Lanka Institute of Advanced Technological Education, HNDM, HNDF, these kind of things they use, right? You can see. And also they use the High National Diploma in English. Not this much. You can use more than this, but in our Slate website, they use this much of metadata. So this is the metadata, right? So these metadatas will help your website, your users to reach your website. So this is how it's working. So let me jump into the slide. So here, okay, what are metadata index? So you got the idea, and your URLs also work as a metadata. If your URL, your website URL mean your website address, right? So your URL, if you have your URL in other websites, the users who using that other website will come to your website using clicking that URL. So if some people pay some websites to put their URL in those famous website pages, those way also you can use. So here the importance means how you are getting the target customers, right? So using this metadata you can reach your target customers. How did it work? I explained how to find appropriate meta index. It's there is no big tools, like you can use some tools. There are tools I can show you. It's like if you want to search metadata related to travel, you can search like travel Sri Lanka hashtag. So here you can find hashtags like this. These websites provide the useful hashtags. So Sri Lanka, Colombo, travel Sri Lanka, travel photography Sri Lanka. These hashtags you can use. You can copy and you can paste. Likewise, and other things you can do, like these are the related search terms, right? Here is our search Arugambe. If I'm searching, you can see here, if you go deep down, you can see these are the related search people done, right? So you can use this as metadata for your websites or your articles. Mostly people use this metadata in YouTube videos, so the video will reach much more, right? Here, what are the related search? Arugambe hotels. People mostly search Arugambe hotels, Arugambe restaurant, surf, beach, Arugambe district. How to get to Arugambe, Arugambe to Colombo, things to do in Arugambe. So these are the related search terms happening here. And the next thing, okay, this is how you can find some metadata. Then how to make links to your site. So these things we can do, like let me check. Let's go to newswire.lk. So here, this is a famous news aggregator website. So here in this website, they give some advertisements, right? Okay, my advertisement blocker. Now you can see some advertisements, right? So here what they are doing, they are giving us, like, it's from Dialog, right? And it's from Daras. So Dialog give advertisement in this website. Here the Hutch give advertisement in this website. If I'm clicking this link, it's direct to hutch.lk, right? So the thing is, you can paste your, you can exhibit your website URL in some other websites. So those who are using Newswire, sometimes they go to this website. So this Hutch website, they're getting audience using this website. So it's a paid advertisement. So it's work like that. Here you can see Food City, they're also giving links. If I'm clicking pizza, it's going to Pizza Hut. So what they're doing, they are paying this website and ask them to have their links. So this is another way you can reach some audience, right? It's work like that. Okay, so this is how you use the metadata, and here you can see how you can search, like this is a nice website. You can search how to use hashtags, the use of hashtags. So it's interconnecting. Mostly Twitter is the one who introduced the hashtags, right, after other websites are copied. So here, how to make a links to your website stand out. So you can create your website and you can show your website link on other websites, right? Then how to make links to your site. try to keep position at your top of the page. People read from top to bottom. Like we click the top link, right? In the newswire, we click the top link. So better you post the web advertisements in top, right? Then add graphics. They're not just paste the link, right? They put the they came up with the graphics, right? So using that graphics, they try to explain.